Calling for a bonus now. Two Baltimore City Council members want DPW workers to immediately get an extra $5,000. They think the money is there, so they hope the mayor will act on this. New at 7 o'clock, WJZ is live at a trash pickup site. Joy Burnett tells us why the council members are so passionate about this. Joy.
Well, Rick, Councilman Yitzi Schleifer had already called on the city to give some of those DPW workers an hourly raise. Now he's joining forces with another council member. They want to take this a step further and give some of those same workers a $5,000 bonus.
We're proposing $5,000 per sanitation worker, both those that are full-time and part-time.
Baltimore City Council member Zeke Cohen and Yitzi Schleifer stood side by side Friday to call on the mayor to give all DPW workers who worked throughout the pandemic a $5,000 bonus.
This bonus will be very helpful to these workers and their families, most of which who live in Baltimore City. With
COVID-19, the sanitation industry has been hit particularly hard. There were outbreaks of the virus in some facilities and trash started to pile up. DPW was forced to suspend recycling pickup and focus on the trash instead. But for the crews who kept working throughout, the council members say the money is there to give them a bonus, and it should come from the CARES Act funding that Baltimore City received.
We know that our sanitation workers have suffered and gotten sick, that they are scared, that morale is low. And so we feel this is the least our city could do to support them in this critical moment.
The bonus is a short-term fix. Earlier this month, city council members approved a resolution that would raise the hourly wage for workers from $11 to $15. But that process could take some time to fully be approved.
As we stand today, recycling is still canceled. We need to be able to get more workers back so that we don't have more of an impact, not just on recycling, but also on trash collection as a whole.
Now, one of the fixes that DPW implemented are these collection sites spread out across the city where residents can drop off their own recyclables, but the reaction to that is really mixed. We're going to have much more for you guys coming up tonight on WJZ at 11. Live tonight at 7, Joy Burnett for WJZ.